guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about count and remove function in MongoDB. So at your first you have to use int cell, and here you can write at this point any Mongo or DB query. So first is the count. So this will about the count function. So it will count total numbers of rows in the collection. So at your let's write so at your DB dot. So first we need to select here db dot, and here you can find this collection. So I'm going to select employee. Now here employee, I'm going to apply count function. So here you can find count, copy, and or create index latency. So we need to use at here count. So let's use count, and you have to close by semicolon. So if you execute, so it will display total numbers of rows. So 7 or rows are there. Now hereafter I'm going to copy this code and applying the same things. So at here this the item here employee, so it shows 7. That means total numbers of rows are 7. Now rows, or you can say at here documents are 7. So see at 7 document it's a display. Now the next thing is, so you can use at here EMPs or 10. Okay, so here it's not displaying total numbers of how many EMPs are there. So EMP documents are there. So let's copy and here or just paste and here write EMP. So let's execute that. So see EMP or it's displaying 7. Okay, let's check. So EMP, I think EMP is the okay. Let's refresh it in inside or admin, not in admin. So emp or at here. Okay, emp dot count. So it's display 7. Okay, so this time this is displaying 10 at here. When I remove db.employee.count, so here it's now I'm getting the expected output 10. So total numbers of at here documents inside EMP collection are 10. So see at here count 10. Here if you take the cursor, it's a displaying collection added word EMP, and here count 10. It's a display. Now the next thing is, so at here let's use first at here going to use db dot. So db dot going to use the collection emp. Hereafter I'm going to write find. So at here find, about the find select the document in a collection, return cursor to the selected document. So this is about find, and hereafter let's close by semicolon. So if you execute here, so now it's displaying all the contents or document inside inside EMP. Now the next thing is, so that was about count. So now I'm going to use delete. Okay, so if you wanna delete some particular document like send for 99, so at here, so first check at here inside EMP total counts means total documents are 10. So here I'm going to delete one document. So anything in MongoDB, so you can do by two ways. So first is graphically, next is by query. So at here let's use at here db or dot. Here you can find emp. Okay, capital EMP dot. Now here you can find or remove. So remove. Okay, here you can find remove. So what to remove document from a collection. So this is the use of remove. Now press enter, and here, so inside bracket use curly braces open and close, and here the first is EMP number. So which EMP number going to remove? 7499. So 7499 EMP number I'm going to remove. So first I'm going to so this is the query. So see at here or write result and remove. So if you get to 1, so that means it's removed from the collection. So EMP number 47499, it's a remove from collection. But if you get 0, that means not. Now here after the next thing is, let me check about at here going to use db dot db dot here after find or db dot at here db dot emp. So next is correction. So at here emp dot, here you can find now here. So this query going to cut and here execute. So here, so if you take the cursor, so see first it is still displaying 10. Now here I'm going to refresh that. Refreshing, okay, refresh all. So now take the cursor. So see and here count 9. So that means the send for 99 it's completely deleted from here. So this is the way we can delete, or you can use add here or the same thing by different ways. So here if you want, then here you can use send for 99, you cannot find from the list. And here the next thing is, so you can do the duration by different ways also. So at here let's use db and here, so selecting at here emp or emp correction, and here let's use remove, and here curly braces that required, and here the next is emp number. emp number, so emp number 7499, it's a deleted. Now hereafter I'm going to delete 7521. So add here 7521, and here after comma, and here writing or just, so it must be a small, just, and here O and E. So it should be in capital. O is capital. Hereafter let's use true. So to close the bracket. So this is the query. So at here if I'm going to execute this query, so send file. So at here again I'm getting the expected output. So what if I give at here some random kind of values? So see enter and remove. So if you get the output 0, so that means there is nothing like a send file to it. So it returns false. That means there is no any or remove. There is no any correction remove from the. There is no any document removed from the collection. Okay. Now here after the next thing, I just remove send file to one. So let's refresh at here. So see, take the cursor. So see at here. Now you can find or count 8. So that means at here there is a one. So there is a one document deleted. So send 5 to 1. It's now deleted. Now the next thing is I'm going to remove all the contents inside employee. So first I'm going to say you all the contents employ. Yeah. So employee, and here let's so here execute this query. So see at this the contents here inside employee. So now I'm going to remove all the contents from the employee. So for this here let's use db and here employee. So employee. So employee, and hereafter, so no need to pass anything. Leave this blank. That's the curly braces and bracket that required. Now hereafter, let's execute this query. So see at here, write to result and remove 7. So total numbers of 7 document permanently removed. Now hereafter, let's paste at here. Now hereafter, executing this query. So see at here, there is nothing inside employee. So if you want to check, so refresh that, refresh selected item, and here take the cursor. So here it's still it's displaying 7. Now refresh all. Now take the cursor employee. So see at here, count 0, size 0, everything 0, it's a display. So this is the way we can remove contents, or we can remove any kind of documents inside MongoDB database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.